welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a sugarcane farm, or fully automatic once you've built it. First of all, you'll want to place a chest down, so let's do that now. There we go, and a hopper leading into that chest. So we need to crouch to this, and then also a rail on top of that, on top of the hopper. There you go. And then you'll want to place a minecart with a hopper in on top of that rail. That's the collection system done. Really simple. You'll want to place 3 blocks behind the minecart with hopper in. Then you want to place some sand on top. There you go. You don't want to get rid of them yet. You want to place 2 more on top of there. Place a piston on this side. A non-sticky piston, just the usual one. Put it down like that. What no? You want to put some water here. Make like a bit of a container. And then there you go. Put some water in. And place some sugarcane there. Put a block there behind the piston. And then put another there. We want the red light to be facing backwards. So, and then put some redstone on the block you place behind the piston. So when it grows, you want to place sugarcane, the glass around it here. Oh, I'm just going to place I got the rail and I destroyed it. There we go. Replace that. Replace the minecart with hopper in. Open it up, and then when the sugarcane grows, then it all gets collected down into the chest. Down here. There you go. Fully automatic sugarcane farm. You can use it to make paper, books, or if you're on like an enchanting table setup. That's all for this video. Goodbye.